Hello, in this video I'm going to share with you how we fixed all of the hardware in here. We grinded it down and repainted it because, as you'll see in the video I'm showing you probably right now, is this was all rusted and started to peel, and then there was rust on a lot of these other places as well. Also, if you want to learn how we remodeled this bathroom many years ago, you can watch the video that is linked down in the description. I'll have that down there for you because we totally renovated this bathroom about 10 years ago. And excited to share that with you as well.
How come he's not using a socket? Okay, I'm gonna wait. Can you see what the shape is on there?
Yeah, it's an X.
So it's just a regular?
Yeah, it's regular. Regular.
Not a regular, so we might have a problem.
They might be too rusted. Rusted.
I just had to use it line. A bit rusted.
Rusted. Look at all that rust. Yuck. So, grind it up. The rust on this, and the paint's already gone on. I didn't quite capture that part in video. This is what we might use, but we bought that as extra. But this is what we have been using, the Rust-Oleum protective enamel. We are going to do that towel rack as well, because you can see there's rust right there. And Clay is getting something to sand it with. I'm going to show you that. Rust is gone.
That's better.
Now we gotta paint it. Sorry, I didn't get a video together. We put in those ones, and now we gotta get this last bolt in. What did you need me to do?
I need the wrench.
Oh, the wrench. The wrench. The wrench. We can tighten all of them. first. These are all painted as well. We're gonna bring that in and put it up. Tower rack's not on yet. We built this barn door using tongue and groove pine and then using pine trim boards to help hold it to place at the top and the bottom to keep it all together. With some good finagling, Clay was able to get it up and around all obstacles without breaking anything and hooking it up onto the track so that the rollers can work and it can go back and forth.
Where you want it to be.
If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.